Happy Monday, everybody. December 4th. So happy you're beginning the week with us. I am Natalie Taylor.
And I'm Allison Godlove. Great to have you here. Hopefully you had a great weekend, and we have some great holiday ideas for you today.
I'm pumped. We are actually getting ready to move over to our kitchen right now for a little DIY project. I don't have this item in my closet.
I can't believe you don't have one.
I don't. So I'm like ready to go.
This is all excited. Like, this is very trendy. So I'm so glad you're going to have one. So we're going to talk about that. That's what we have coming up for you today in our menu. We are doing DIY ugly sweaters.
Yes, please. I see them getting laid out right now, looking good.
With the holidays just around the corner, you're going to need some festive attire, of course, but instead of shopping and spending some money, you can DIY.
I am all ready for this one. Here to show us how to make easy, ugly holiday sweaters without ruining your sweater. Perhaps best part, Carrie Quigley, founder of the fashion class and author of Fashion Design for Kids.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited for this project, kicking off the holiday season.
And I don't have an ugly sweater.
Can you
I'm
believe
not
she
going to
doesn't
lie.
even have one?
I don't even have one.
Now you do.
Okay, and we're not even going to ruin the sweater. I feel like this is like the best thing ever. So what do we do? And it's for, you work with kids, so I feel like I'm going to be okay in the directions you're going to give me.
You'll be totally fine. So this is a no-waste craft. I love a good useful craft, right? You want to wear these and use them, but I don't want to ruin my sweater, right?
Right.
So this is no gluing, no sewing. We're using these handy-dandy little tools called the micro stitch.
Oh, what is this? I thought it was a hot glue gun.
It is not a hot glue gun. All it does is attach little decorations to your sweater with a tiny little plastic tab.
Really?
Yeah. So if you guys would like to get started, I'm going to show you. So I have my felt wreath right here, and you can cut these out of felt. You could use fabric. You could really use anything. And you're just going to place it where you want it.
Okay, I've got a Christmas tree. What do you got?
I got letters. Letters.
Okay.
And then you're going to push this through. Make sure the point comes through the other side, and you're just going to press that little button there on the micro stitch.
And you obviously don't want it to go through to the other side, right?
You just want it to go through the front of the sweater. Exactly.
Did you do it?
I did.
Good job.
And pull that out, and you got a little stitch there. And then you want to go around. You're going to actually do quite a few of these just to attach your piece to the sweater.
Don't attach yourself to the sweater.
I was going to say, it is sharp. I'm having a hard time trying to get in the sweater and not get my finger.
Yeah, don't get your fingers.
I see it now. That's so cute.
And you could really do anything, and if you mess up, you simply just cut the plastic
And
off.
I like that. It's like an insurance policy for crafts.
Exactly.
That is amazing. Okay.
Super easy to do. Anybody can do this. And then you have a fabulous holiday sweater for all of your upcoming parties.
Oh, see, mine's crooked. I got my tree crooked. Okay, well, I'm trying to straighten my tree, though. I do want to talk about what you do up in New York, because you do work with kids, and I love this idea. Tell us about your passions being brought to life, if we should say, Carrie.
So I run the fashion class, and it's a sewing studio in New York City. I started in 2010. So after 13 years, I am now franchising. So I'm actually looking for creative individuals in the Tampa area who might want to own their own business. That's why I decided to come down today. But we do fashion design and sewing classes, so people come and visit us and make their own clothing. We do crafting, birthday parties. Oh no, be careful. Crafting does involve sharp things sometimes, but you know, it's a great way to like.
What's that like working with the kids and seeing their creativity come out with that?
So much fun. I absolutely love it. It's my dream come true. I worked in fashion, didn't really love it. I started the fashion class kind of as a side thing, and now 13 years later, you know, still going strong.
Still going strong and doing it. That's fantastic.
It's so much fun.
Well, okay, so let's kind of move on. So if say we get this done, it may take a while, like you said. We might not get it done in our segment because we only have 1 minute left. You've got a lot of other fun things.
Yes.
Kind of give some inspiration.
You can add, if you are done with your felt or your fabric.
Oh my God, I don't know that I'm ever going to get this A on this.
It's a little bit tedious, but it's well worth it.
It's a good thing that you work with children, you have good patience with us, because this is what we're dealing with right now.
TV hosts. That's why crafting promotes mindfulness and patience. I get these tiny little ornaments, and you can actually attach them on safety pins. I have fancy safety pins, but you can use regular safety pins. And same kind of thing, you could just attach these to your sweater through the back using a little safety pin.
And then you can do,
you have some like really fun movement. So I did it on this. So you have some really fun movement here. You can attach these little.
Oh, look at what you did with the tree. Oh, that's
You can attach
fun.
these strange looking little elf dolls.
May or may not have been having fun with those before the segment.
Yes, and then I actually attached lights to mine. So this is some L wire. and it just runs off of a battery. I don't know if you could see this.
So creative.
Right. And then I also, on that one, I attached some fairy lights. And these you just weave through the sweater.
Some bling.
And it doesn't damage the sweater. You can pull it right out.
Easy.
You can cut it.
Cool.
It's super, super easy.
So you mentioned you're looking for people for franchising. How do they
Yes.
get in touch with you if there's something they're interested
so they
in?
can visit me at thefashionclass.com. We have a franchise tab. Anyone's welcome to visit New York City and come and say hello. And then I have all of these DIY tutorials on my Instagram.
Oh, great.
She's got bling.
At the fashion class.
Yes, we have like DIY
All the
stuff,
goods.
gifts, everything.
Well, I
So
gotta
cool.
tell you, normally we say we finish things up in commercial break. I'm gonna be working all show, but we do have more show, I promise. So crafting aside, we hope you stay right there.